So what you can do with this exercise, you take a few deep breaths with the intention of clearing your mind, relaxing your body, bringing yourself into a relaxed, open, neutral, receptive state of being. And then once you're in that state of being, once you've let go of your own personal thoughts, feelings, discomforts in the body, you're just in that relaxed, open awareness, then just ask your intuition, what do you want me to know or need to tell me today? You could also interchange the word intuition with your heart. What does my heart need me to know or want to tell me today? As soon as you ask that question, then you just pay attention to what comes in the form of a sense, a feeling, a knowing, an instinct, an awareness, a vision, some type of insight, flashes of insight that come into your awareness, words, concepts, ideas, things like that. So you can do that in a general level of like, what does my intuition need me to know or want to tell me today? Or you can ask a specific inquiry. What does my intuition want to tell me or need me to know about this particular situation in my life? Take a few moments to hold the space for those intuitions to arise from the unconscious mind. So you can take that approach, building that into your morning meditation routine, or as you're going throughout your day and awarenesses are coming up, things are coming up that you want guidance on. Just pause at any time throughout your day. And instead of like wondering what's going to happen, so to speak, you can ask yourself, what does my intuition need me to know or want to tell me about this specific issue or circumstance or situation that is arising in my life right now? Ultimately, with practice, you'll be able to start getting intuitive insights and guidance as soon as you are starting to ask for guidance. But at first, there could be a little bit of a delay. Maybe you ask for some intuitive guidance in the morning, and then a flash of insight comes to you later that afternoon when you're in a relaxed state of being.